Happy New Year, friends and followers. I am so excited and so grateful to be part of your professional life. Thank you so very much for making this the #1 show in the collective web industries for more than a decade. Just a few stats that I think we can all be quite proud of. We now have some 500 weekly episodes. While the great majority of these are web handling, I've also included about 50 that are personal clips for your personal rather than professional enjoyment. We have now some 2,500 subscribers and 250,000 page views. 2 shows have topped more than 10,000 hits. All told, we have almost 100 hours of video. Now let's move on to some frequently asked questions. The first is whether I make any money on these. The short answer is no, because one would need about 100 times as large of an audience to make a full living on it. So, to reduce the number of ads that you see, I forego the small amount of royalties I might otherwise get. The second is how long does it take to make a show? The answer is around 3 to 4 hours, including slide generation, script writing, delivery, videography, and posting. The third is how do I do this? The answer is outlined in Web301.21-23 if you or someone you know would like to do your own simple industrial videos. The final question in everybody's mind, including my own, is do I get any other compensation for this effort? The answer is sort of, in terms of marketing, industrial charity, and a tiny bump in ego and boost from the likes and shares. Thus, everyone, including myself, should be clear on one thing about this show. That is, there are no good business reasons to do this. Fortunately, I'm in a position where I have the luxury to do things that don't necessarily make money. I can give back and I can pay forward as a thanks to the industries who have supported me for the past 45 years. Enough with the gushiness. Let's see what we have on this channel, beginning with playlists. As you see here, we have many web handling, machine, product process design, maintenance, and industrial problem-solving themes. We also have many series that are not playlisted because they are grouped in follow in sequence. Most of these are deep dives into topics one rarely hears about elsewhere. Some are more general, such as the ever-popular and growing War Stories series. Other general topics include traceability, inspection, profile, and productivity. You might be able to find some of these topics using the Google, YouTube, or other search tool. However, I have a much better way for you to find stuff. That is, to email me and I will reply with a searchable spreadsheet that lists all of these videos, including ones yet to air. The spreadsheet also includes keywords and URL links. Occasionally, I think I might run out of new and useful topics to write about. However, every time I think like that, I discover a new topic. In particular, I have many war story ideas from troubleshooting in some 1,000 plants. Yet, I will be making small adjustments in both content and delivery that I will describe next week, so stay tuned. Again, thank you so very much for your continued support of this All Web Handling channel. If you have a topic you would like to hear about, let me know in the comment section below. If you found any of these stories to be interesting or useful, please like and share and subscribe. See you next time.